The Broadcasting Organization of Nigeria, BON, has said broadcast stations are barely surviving following the rising cost of petrol and diesel in the country. Executive Secretary of BON, Yemisi Gbangoshe, in a statement released during the weekend, described broadcast stations as a stabilizing factor in maintaining political stability, security, and peace in the country. She added that if nothing is done urgently to arrest the current trend, the stations might shut down. The organization also advised both the executive and legislative arms of government to take advantage of the current amendment of the Constitution to resolve the lingering issue of radio and television licensing fees with which public broadcast stations are funded in Europe, South Africa, and Ghana.